It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: voice activation, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth streaming audio. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Take it for a test drive today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.